what we have lived for. Poverty appears to be the primary cause of crimes committed by most people. But what causes poverty? Is it the government? Is it the people around us? Or is it ourselves? In fact, all of these are considered in causing poverty. But why? By the government, by the people around us, and why ourselves? To begin with, most countries from Asia and even in USA are facing poverty in this year, and the one they are blaming upon this crisis is their administration. Our leaders who run in our government have fault why people are suffering poverty. Why? Upon observing the situation nowadays, just few of our government leaders are doing their task to serve people, but most of them are doing their job for their own happiness and satisfaction. We must face the reality that our government is not a government of people, but it is a government of liar and corrupt leaders. There are lots of factors to be considered why poverty exists in our country. Those are the rapid growth of population, the different point of view of every Filipino, and not only the government, but also ourselves. The population growth of the Philippines today is increasing rapidly, and from this problem, another problem can stand out. The lack of shelter where they can live, the lack of food they eat, the clothes, and also not enough education for their children, and especially their health, because there is a probability that in a place which is overpopulated, different diseases can occur to children and even to adults. The loss of jobs of our parents is another effect of overpopulation, so that, as their children, we can suffer too. Population growth is not a problem of our government, but us is the one to blame. Why? Because as an individual and a citizen of the Philippines, we must discipline ourselves to prevent the occurrences of different problems that lead to poverty. But why people are put the blame on the government, why they are suffering poverty, why they are less fortunate? Don't ask the government, ask ourselves. Honestly, the development and improvement of our country starts from ourselves. Discipline ourselves, discipline our children, and later on, we will see the gradual development of the Philippines. And then, we must we must cooperate to the programs of the government and not to be antagonists. Make yourself an honest man, and you may be sure that there is one rascal less in the world. Poverty should not be used as an alibi to justify the commission of a crime. Every man is the architect of his own future. But then, you can never plan your future by the past. Just move on. Thus, if men be good, government cannot be bad. This has been our life. Have you ever regretted it? What we have lived for?